friends, today I am going to show you how to delete or remove multiple rows from a table using jQuery Ajax with few lines of code. I hope this tutorial will be really useful in your web projects during handling data rendering in table. Friends, this is my simple table of customer in which I have already inserted data into it. First, I want to write PHP code to see this data on web page. Friends, this is my simple HTML page. In this page I have used Bootstrap CSS and JavaScript framework with jQuery JavaScript library. On this page first I have make database connection and enter necessary information regarding database connection. Friends, after making database connection I have make one SQL query to select all data of customer table. After SQL query, friends, I execute this query by using Mysql query function and store into result variable. Now friends, I check number rows in result by using Mysql numRows function. If number of rows more than 0, then it will execute next code. Friends, if number of rows more than 0, then I define one table with column customer name, customer address and delete column in which I will display checkboxes. Now friends, I have fetch all data from customer table by using while loop with Mysql fetch array function. Now I want to display all data on web page. First I define one table row with id. In it I will store customer id and table row id attribute. On the basis of this id we can remove table row from table. Now friends, I want to define three table column. In first table column I will display customer name and in second column I will display customer address. Friends, in third column I will display checkboxes. On this checkboxes user can select multiple checkboxes and delete multiple data on single click. So I have defined input type checkbox with name customer id array. In this checkboxes I have store customer id in value of attribute. So in each checkbox I have stored different customer ID. Now friends, I have defined one button with name button delete. It is also button delete. So, when user will click on this button then selected checkboxes table row will be removed. Now friends, see the output of above writing code. Now friends, I move to jQuery code part. In this part I write jQuery code on click event of button with it b10 delete. Friends, first I make confirmation message with text, are you sure you want to delete this? If user click on yes, then data will be deleted from database, otherwise no action will perform. After this friends, I have defined one variable id without a type array. In this field I will store customer id of checkboxes. Friends, for getting customer id of checkbox I have used jQuery each loop. With help of this loop I will get customer id of all checkboxes and store into id array variable. Now friends, I make one other validation. If user directly click on button without checkbox then error will occur. For this I have check id array length must be greater than 0. For this I have used triple equal operator will check data type and value. So I write it. Length triple equal to 0 means data type is array and value is 0. That means no checkbox check and display alert message. Please select at least one checkbox. Otherwise it will execute Ajax function called jQuery code. Now friends, I have write Ajax function. In this function first is URL to which the request is sent. I want to send request to delete.php page. Second is the HTTP method to use for the request. I want to use the post method. Third is data to be sent to the server. I want to send it data to server. And friends, last is success function, a function to be called if the request succeeds. If request is succeed, then I want to remove table row of checkbox. For this I have data of checkbox which I have stored in a variable. So, friends, I have used for loop and remove that table row on the basis of it. Friends, suppose you want to give some effect to that table which will be removed. For this I have write table row selector with it, and I have used CSS jQuery method and change background color of that table row. Now friends, you want to remove table row of checkbox. For this I have write table row selector with it, and I have used fade out jQuery method with slow parameter. Now friends, I have moved to some PHP code for delete multiple data from table. So friends, first I have create one PHP page with name delete.php. In this page first I have database connection. After making database connection, I have check it has some value or not by using setPHP function. Friends, if $posted has some value, then I have used for each loop and fetch all value as id. Now friends, I have write SQL query to delete from customer table on the basis of customer id which I have get from it. Now friends, I have execute this query by using Mysql query function. Friends, suppose it has number of it 5, then loop will execute 5 time and 5 data will be deleted from database. Now friends, see the output. So finally multiple data has been removed in one single click. So, friends, this my video tutorial on how to remove multiple data delete from Mysql database on the basis of checkbox and PHP by using Ajax Jquery. So friends, thank you for watching this video. If you have any query regarding this video, you can comment on this video. I will reply on your comment. Friends, you want to get more update of my video, so, friends, you can subscribe my YouTube channel. Friends, you can also like my Facebook page also, or you can also follow Webs Listen on Twitter.